What if a 3-day event could change your life? Would you be interested? That's exactly what Arise and Revive Christian Women's Conference is all about. We are excited to present an amazing weekend to you where you will become empowered to step back into the destiny you had for your life, the vision you felt. We are so excited to invite you to spend the weekend with us to change your future. You will be empowered to live like you haven't lived in a long time. You will meet so many like-minded Christian women who are ready to step into their destiny, their future, get back to the dreams and the vision they once had for their lives. Feel empowered, feel part of a community, leave with a personal roadmap of how to carry what you learn at this conference forward for not just days, not weeks, but for the rest of your life. Are you ready to come to attend the Arise and Revive conference? We have 4 amazing keynote speakers ready to pour into you. All meals are included. Everything will be here waiting for you. Spend a weekend, change your life.